This video is about Standard 3 learning environments. In Standard 3, candidates facilitate learning by creating, using, evaluating, and managing effective learning environments. For Standard 3, I have about 12 artifacts, and I'm just going to talk about a few of the most important ones. One of the learning environments I created for my M.E.T program early on was one of my first classes, which was a project-based learning and technology integrated course. I designed a website for students called the GAP Project. The GAP Project allows students in an art and design class to work together in groups or individually to follow through a set of steps to come up with a gap in their life or in someone else's life that they can design something for, and then work through the steps of designing that through the website that I made. It's a bit like a web quest, but there's links at the bottom that students can click to go to the assessments and go to the next assignment. What it does is it allows students to follow at their own pace to work through the project until at the very end they will have a final design project that they've worked through, they've designed, they've gotten feedback from others. In addition to that, I also designed later on a teacher site that matches and goes with it to guide the teacher. It has project-based learning templates and calendars. It has a student overview. It's a really well-developed site all together as one whole with the two separate sections, one for students and one for teachers. I'm particularly proud of this project. The second project I'd like to talk about that is a learning environment that I designed. It was for 512, which was online course design. I chose to design an art and design class online with Canvas. And I will have to say it was probably one of my favorite projects that I did. It was incredibly challenging. I was actually able to use my course the second semester when I actually taught the class face-to-face. I was able to pull some of the lessons directly from it to use in my classroom. I found that designing this course really helped me to realize how to manage an online learning environment, how to create a discussion, how to engage students with graphics and multimedia. All of the classes that I took before this course really prepared me to develop a very solid and successful online course that I am really proud of.